This video will give you a comprehensive understanding of the reasons behind disk cleanup stuck on Windows Update Cleanup and provide several effective solutions to help you quickly restore the system cleanup function. Part 1. Why is disk cleanup stuck on Windows Update Cleanup? Disk cleanup may get stuck on scanning Windows Update Cleanup due to large update files, ongoing update services, corrupted system files, or low disk performance. Part 2. How to fix disk cleanup stuck on Windows Update Cleanup. Let's go through 6 effective methods to fix disk cleanup stuck on Windows Update Cleanup in Windows 11 tense. Fix 1. Manually delete the SoftwareDistribution folder. Step 1. Press Win plus R, type Services, MISC, then press Enter. Step 2. Find Windows Update, right-click, and select Stop. Step 3. Navigate to see Windows SoftwareDistribution. Step 4. Delete all files inside the folder. Step 5. Go back and restart the Windows Update service. Fix 2. Manually delete the contents of the Windows.old folder. Step 1. Open File Explorer and go to see Windows.old. Step 2. Remove all files inside the Windows.old folder. Step 3. Then run disk cleanup again to check whether the issue has been fixed. Fix 3. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Step 1. Press the Windows key and click the gear icon to open Settings. Step 2. Choose Update and Security from the menu. Step 3. Go to the Troubleshoot Additional Troubleshooters section and select Windows Update. Step 4. Click Run the Troubleshooter and allow it to scan for issues. When it finishes, check whether the problem has been resolved. Fix 4. Run DISM. Step 1. Search for command prompt. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Step 2. Enter the following command and press Enter. DISM Online Cleanup Image Restore Health. Step 3. Wait for the process to complete. These DISM commands will scan for and repair any corrupted files that may be causing the error. Fix 5. Run System File Checker. Step 1. Open command prompt as administrator. Step 2. Then type SFSE scano. Step 3. Press Enter and wait for the scan to finish. Step 4. It will begin scanning for any corrupted or missing system files, and SFC will automatically repair any issues it detects. After that, restart your computer. Fix 6. Run disk cleanup in a clean boot state. Step 1. Press Win plus R, type masconfig, and press Enter to open the system configuration window. Step 2. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services, and click Disable All. Step 3. Switch to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Step 4. In Task Manager, select all startup items and click Disable, then close Task Manager. Step 5. Back in the System Configuration window, click OK to save the changes. Part 3. The best alternative to disk cleanup on Windows. If disk cleanup is stuck or you need to securely erase data, Coolmuster Data Erasure can permanently delete files, folders, or partitions, including free space, ensuring complete removal. Step 1. After downloading, install this tool on your PC and launch the program. Step 2. To erase all data from your computer, select Drive Wiper from the side panel. Choose the drive you want to wipe and pick an erasing mode. Step 3. Click Erase Now and confirm the action by selecting OK in the pop-up. The software will then start deleting all data from your PC.